in that case, I want to share some criticism. Feedback about our RSM. It's a first day. I don't want to get kicked out on the first day. No, I'm already packed, so it wouldn't be too bad. All right. So RSMF. I don't know how many people worked with RSMF in the past, but there is one sort of underlying problem, and it's ability to handle large files. Right? It just fails. After a certain point, it just doesn't work. And I think that's problem number one that you need to address.
I don't have any other.
So I have a suggestion.
Yeah.
I don't maybe getting too technical here, but RSMF is an EML file with a zip file with all the attachments. So the EML is what's causing all the problems, right? When you process and when you use different APIs to create it, this is what's causing all out-of-memory errors, because at its core, EML file is an email. And email's meant to be only so large, right? No one, I'm sorry? Well, oh, you want me to go for, okay. So what I suggest is we drop the EML wrapper. We change the RSMF to be just a zip file that contains a JSON file and contains all the attachments. And we changed the name from RSMF to USMF, Universal Short Message Format, that everyone's going to adopt.
We need relativity in there.
And the metadata fields that are going to be stored at the root level of the RSMF file will get automatically mapped to the fields in the workspace, as long as the names match. It does reduce backwards compatibility with other systems, which probably isn't a big deal. And relativity processing, we have to do a little bit more work at generating extracted text because it needs to pull it out from the JSON. But it's actually better because the processing will offset all the time zones. So now all your messages are going to be at the right time zone and not at the time zone they were generated. So we're fixing that problem too.
That's super helpful. I think Betsy, you got all that?